Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we will talk about how to fix Samsung Tablet Wi-Fi won't turn on. A foolproof walkthrough. Number 1. Restart your tablet. Press and hold the power button until the power off screen appears. Tap restart and confirm. Number 2. Check Wi-Fi settings. Navigate to settings, connections, Wi-Fi. Ensure Wi-Fi is toggled on. Number 3. Toggle airplane mode. Go to settings, connections, turn on airplane mode, wait 10 seconds and then turn it off. Number 4. Forget and reconnect to network. In Wi Fi settings, tap your network, select forget, then reconnect by selecting it again and entering the password. Number 5. Reset network settings. Navigate to settings, general management, reset, reset network settings, confirm and wait for the process to complete. Thanks for watching.